Doctors concerned tonight they're being used as pawns in an elaborate drug ring. Some doctors are seeing more patients asking for specific prescriptions. ABC 15's Eric English joining us live from Chandler. Eric, I know these doctors worry that some patients are passing the prescriptions on to drug dealers.
Well, one doctor I spoke with here today says he is concerned about the number of people he sees coming into his office looking for drugs that could be dangerous in the wrong hands.
You ready?
Chandler Dr. Vladislav Fedorov sees dozens of patients each day. The spinal specialist says in the past 6 months, he's seen a disturbing trend of young patients seeking high-powered drugs.
Patients have been coming in as new patients, self-pay, meaning they don't have insurance, they're willing to pay cash, specifically asking for oxycodone 30 milligrams.
He thinks the spike is part of a bigger group of patients doing more than just doctor shopping. He believes it's part of a large ring, collecting and then selling the drugs.
I think this is much bigger than anyone knows.
But Fedorov says he can't do much about it. He can't notify police of patients he thinks are up to no good because of doctor-patient confidentiality. He can simply ask them to leave or go see another doctor.
So telling the police that this patient came in is actually a violation of the HIPAA law, then we can't do that. So we're limited. Our hands are tied there. We're not allowed to say, oh, yeah, this guy came in and...
But there is one tool. The DEA recently created an online registry that allows doctors to see just what others are prescribing for their patients. He can tell if someone has multiple doctors and send up a red flag.
We check their DEA record every time they show up. So online you can say, oh, you just got drugs from this doctor or that doctor.
Doctors now on the front lines of the drug trade, walking a thin line between healing and harming. Now, doctors say the problem with this online system is that not everyone is using it, so there are loopholes. And with no crimes being reported, there's really no deterrent for people to go ahead and fish for that doctor that will write those prescriptions. We're live in Chandler tonight. Eric English, ABC 15 News.